Hi everyone, good day. My name is Kurt Russell D. Carrillo and I'm currently Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation or BSMT. And I'm currently first year and my section is 1A17. I choose maritime course because I want to have a stable career and help my family financially and fulfill my dream to become a seafarer. I know that working at a sea requires discipline, responsibility, and hard working, and I'm ready to learn and improve myself. I can show respect in the class by doing number one, listen attentively when my classmate or instructor are speaking. Number two, being polite and using respectful words. And lastly, number three, helping my classmate whenever they need assistance. In 5 years, I will be licensed maritime professional, working hard on a ship and make my family proud. The legacy I want to remember as a kind, honest, hardworking, and responsible, and who inspired others to never give up on their dreams.